Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Gnosis, currently trading above $100. What's a realistic price expectation for this altcoin in 2023? We saw altcoins dumping to gobbling town in 2022, but they have started 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen them pump to higher prices. Gnosis is up 16% in the first weeks of 2023. We have seen it gone up 25% in the first month of 2023. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Gnosis US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at critical levels where Gnosis might face resistance if we're pumping to the upside in 2023. And if the bottom is not in and we continue dumping to gobbling town, how low can Gnosis go before the end of the bear market? We'll also be looking at Gnosis performance against Bitcoin, Gnosis performance against Ethereum, and guys, we'll take a peek at Gnosis market cap, which currently sits around $274 million. How high can Gnosis market cap possibly go in 2023? If the bottom is not in and we'll continue dumping to gobbling town, where are we going to find support? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Altcoins dumping to gobbling town in 2022, 2023 is starting on a very bright note. We're seeing altcoins showing us bullish signs on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. Gnosis has been pumping with the rest of the market. We're seeing it gone from as low as $82 to as high as over $100. So how high can Gnosis go in 2023? What's the realistic price expectation for this altcoin? And is the bottom in? If the bottom is not in, how low can we go before the end of the year? The first level you want to pay attention to for Gnosis in 2023 is going to be the $78 region. We have seen it catch a bounce off that level. That's the lowest we have seen Gnosis get to in this bear market after pumping in the previous bull market, where we saw this altcoin going from the $7.39 level, rallying up to a new all-time high before the end of the bull market. We saw it trading around $869. Going up over 11,000% in that time frame. Just $1,000 invested in Gnosis in March 2020 would have returned over $100,000 by November 2021. Crazy pumps to the upside. That's what altcoins give you when they're pumping to higher prices. But when they start dumping to gobbling town, just like we've seen Gnosis do since the end of the bull market, they can dump really well to gobbling town. We've seen this altcoin lose 91% of its value from its all-time high. So arguments can be made that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in. But guys, if the bottom is not in, we might continue dumping to gobbling town and we might come down to as low as the $54 level to find support. If we don't get support at that level, worst case scenario for Gnosis in 2023, we'll see it dropping to as low as the $29 region. We shouldn't get carried away with this rally we're seeing in the altcoin market. Things can easily change quickly that will lead this altcoin dumping to gobbling town and getting to that $29 region. If we're going to see it dump to the $29 region, we'll have to see it lose an additional 72% of its value, and that can happen very, very quickly. If we're pumping to the upside, we'll also face some resistance along the way to pump to higher prices. And the first level where we might get rejected as we're pumping to higher prices might be around the $125 region. Now, I've seen Gnosis get rejected at that level in October 2022. If you take a look at what Gnosis was doing in May 2018, we had a rally that ended exactly at that level. So I'll not be shocked to see us get rejected maybe at our first attempt at the $125 region, come to test that $78 price region. If we don't hold that level, continue dumping to gobbling town. But if the bottom is in for Bitcoin and we see altcoins rallying up to higher prices, you want to keep it in the back of your mind that even though Bitcoin might have bottomed out, altcoins pumping to higher prices, there's always that one final dump to the downside for altcoins, which might see Gnosis come down to test that $78 region, the lowest point we've seen it get to in this bear market. As the altcoin market continues rallying up to higher prices, as we continue seeing the altcoin market pump to higher prices in this bear market, the $194 region will be another interesting action point for Gnosis. We saw it get rejected at that level in August 2022. And from that level, we saw it dump into Goblin Town. We saw it lose more than 59% of its value in 93 days. Now, ultimately, 2023 is going to be the great year of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. If you take a look at what Gnosis did in the past, we first saw it dump to Goblin Town in its first crypto bear market. We saw it lose around 98% of its value in about 1 year. And then when the accumulation period started, we saw it moving sideways for majority of 2019. But guys, it first had one pump to the upside that took it up 244%. So maybe just maybe that's exactly what's happening to Gnosis right now in this bear market. Maybe just maybe the bottom is in. If the bottom is in and this altcoin will repeat exactly what we saw it do in its previous bear market, it means we'll see Gnosis rally up more than 200%, maybe attempting to get to as high as $294. If we see it pumping that high in this bear market, it will mean from where we bottomed, we would have seen it rally up more than 200%. And even though we can get that kind of huge rally in the bear market, let's not get carried away when we see that rally happening, because there's always that one final dump to the downside. It's very, very important. Yes, we might be accumulating some Gnosis right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. Millionaires are made in the crypto bear market, but guys, those millionaires are not going all in buying these altcoins when they are seeing them pump to higher prices. What they are doing is that they're dollar cost averaging through the bear market, so that no matter how low we get, they can still have some capital to buy more. So you want to copy that. Warren Buffett once said, you want to buy when the market's in extreme fear, you want to sell when the market's in extreme greed. And we've seen the crypto market go through extreme fear for majority of 2022. Hopefully 2023 will be that great year of accumulation where we'll see Gnosis performing like it did in the previous bear market. So we're starting the year on a brighter note, having a pump to the upside. So after that pump to the upside, that will be when the real accumulation will start, where we'll see Gnosis going sideways, getting ready for the next bull run. If you're going to be holding Gnosis right now, you always want to remember, we're going to see some pumps along the way. We're also going to see some dumps along the way. But ultimately, those that are going to survive are those that are going to hold through all the chaos till we get to new all-time highs. We've seen Gnosis drop to Goblin Town in the past. We've seen it recover all those losses and go to set new all-time highs. So why will this time be different? If you take a look at some details about Gnosis, in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $555 to as low as $77, with a market cap of $274 million and a fully diluted market cap of over $300 million. Gnosis has a maximum supply of 3 million tokens. Out of those 3 million tokens, we have 2.5 million of them in circulation. Currently ranked 112 on CoinMarketCap, over 78,000 people have this altcoin on their watch list. Why would we want to hold some Gnosis in the bear market? Why will this altcoin set new all-time highs in the future? GnosisDAO builds decentralized infrastructure for the Ethereum ecosystem. Gnosis Chain is associated execution layer EVM chain for stable transactions. It uses the xDAI token and include a wide range group of projects and users. If you want to get some for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, taking a look at Gnosis' performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have seen it dump to Goblin Town, and we've also seen it rallying up to higher prices. And for the rest of 2023, I'll not be shocked to see this altcoin dumping to Goblin Town, both against Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's to be expected with altcoins in the bear market. So even though we see a rally to the upside for Gnosis against Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'll expect to see a 100% pump, a 200% pump, but at the end of that rally, we might get rejected, even setting new lows. So you want to be careful with altcoins in the bear market. Yes, they might be profitable when the market is pumping, but one dump to the downside, we'll see them losing value drastically against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But if you're getting ready for the next bull run, you'll be getting ready to see all those dumps, because we know that after all those dumps, the huge pump is waiting for us in the future. And those people that are going to survive are going to get the next 10x, 20x, even the next 100x pump to the upside, just like we saw Gnosis do in the previous bull market. If you take a look at Gnosis market cap, we have seen the market cap get to as low as $199 million in this bear market. Right now, we're pumping to the upside, but guys, we want to pay close attention to that level. We might see Gnosis market cap come back to test that level at some point in time in the bear market. Gnosis is currently in the second crypto bear market, and after its first bear market, we saw this altcoin rally up more than 100x. We saw the market cap go above $1 billion. In 2023, I will not be shocked to see this altcoins market cap rally back to that $500 million region. We got there in August 2022. Even though we got rejected at that level, maybe just maybe 2023 will be the year we'll see Gnosis market cap close above the $500 million region since the bull market. If not, if we get rejected at that level, we might continue our journey to cobbling town, maybe even seeing Gnosis market cap head to that $100 million region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're buying some Gnosis right now deep in the bear market, as we're seeing it pump in 2023, how high do you see it going to by the end of the next bull run? And in 2023, how high do you see it going before the end of the year? Do you see us breaking to new all-time highs in 2023? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7